Using local wood to provide heat can transform the way in which large rural buildings are heated. Not only can it deliver valuable financial and carbon savings, it also means that lower value local forestry resources can be used in a sustainable way. This reduces dependence on imported fossil fuels and also reduces exposure to fluctuating oil and gas prices. This short video shows how HWE have provided a biomass solution for the Great Glen Cattle Ranch and explains how the system is operated, maintained and what impact it has had on life at the farm. Commissioned in March 2008, the Vito system installed at the farm is a simple and robust boiler solution which will have a low lifetime cost. It is ideal for projects where fuel can be created on-site and a hands-on approach to operation and maintenance can be adopted. The boiler is an 80 kilowatt system that serves two main buildings and also future-proofed to provide heat to a potential steading development. The heat is transported around 250 metres via an underground pipe to the individual buildings where there are heat exchangers that provide the interface to the existing central heating systems. Wood fuel is fed from the hopper to the boiler via an auger mechanism. The rate at which the chip is fed into the boiler responds to the demand for heat from each of the buildings. This type of system will not turn itself on and off automatically, which means that if there is no demand for heat, the boiler will go into slumber mode rather than switch itself completely off. The existing oil-fired Stanleys were left in situ in each of the buildings to provide backup heating, should this ever be required.
Well, I'm here at the Great Glen Cattle Ranch with Paolo, the farm manager. Paolo, we're interested in finding out a bit more about your wood chip boiler.
Sure, we've had the Vito now for about a year and a half. It's heating two houses on the farm, the big farmhouse, and our house, farm manager's house as well.
You know, you can see behind us you've got the big pile of chip there. How do you actually source the wood and how do you get this chip here in the first place?
We've been using a lot of waste wood on the farm and just collecting it and then getting it chipped in. We'll get a contractor to chip it in, and it's probably going in there £5 a tonne for the chipping and just the collection and cutting of the wood on top of that. So it's probably working out about, if you had to buy the wood, it's probably working out about £25 a tonne chipped.
Right. And have you done the translation of what that's saving you in terms of your heating bills or how much
that
comes out?
Yeah, I think we did it when the oil prices were high. It was I think maybe 7 or 8 pence a kilowatt hour for the oil.
Yeah.
Whereas the wood, you know, you're looking at probably 1 to 2 pence a kilowatt hour. So yeah, it's a big saving.
Significant savings.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And would you see this as something that any
yeah,
farm
absolutely.
could replicate?
Yeah, just great. You know, you know, anybody that's on a farm situation that's got a reasonable requirement for heat, be it farmhouses, letting houses, any kind of thing like that, just fantastic. You know?
Yeah.